Ugarte on the move. Oy, in and out. Number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Number 14. To number 26. Set the play.
115.
115. To Ronnie. Ronnie. Aris. Aris on the move. Aris. 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 Come on, shirt. Sita. Counted.
Basket count. Foul by number 21. Time out. Rabia, 57 seconds. 57.
You have remaining time, 57 seconds in the last quarter of this game. Rabia All-Star still leading by 6 points from Honda team. Both teams continue participation.
Okay, dito na lang. Tayo bukas at tubig.
Remaining time, 57 seconds. 57. Sinka awarded by bonus shot. Only one shot. Ding. Ding. This is
45 seconds.
there's a foul by Mr. Sinka.
43 seconds. Penalty. 23 Sinka.
Remaining time, 43 seconds. First throw by number 26, short. Rabia All-Stars, they're protecting the lead by 4 points. And we have remaining time of 43 seconds. Second throw, yes, and the basket. Extending the lead to 5 points. Harris, 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 Harris.
35 seconds. 34 seconds. 34. 34. No good. 25 seconds. 25.
Sajis, 8:33.
Berhel awarded by True Petrus. First throw, yes, in the basket. To seal the game by 54-48. With the remaining time, 25 seconds. Another throw by Berhel. No good. Rebound by June. June. Clear away. She was fouled by
15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining time. And Berhel will Chevalier awarded by True Petrus.
15 seconds.
Third personal foul by Mr. Berhel.
Kamusta Tanya? Hindi niyo ako naintindihan. Ano pa gusto niyo sabihin ko? English, Tagalog, Germany o ano? 15 seconds.
Chevalier. Second throw no good. To Aris. Aris. Oy.
10.
Bang, 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 bang. Steady shots.
5. 2 seconds. Wala mo nakakapul pa itong COVID na to. Shoot mo na yan. Yan ang pagkakataon mo.
Puro ano eh. Nilalaro na. Wala yung hindi mo nakasigong tayo sa school.
First throw was good. Second throw, yes.
Okay, may 2